So in the package, as you can see guys, so these are basically the solar panel, and as you can see the solar on the back right there. Just gonna unbox them, show you guys how them look. Another one right here, and also another two right here. So in the package we have at least 4 of them that come inside the package. Feel a bit light. Also inside the package we have a user manual, and we have some screw mount right here. So basically we have 2 packs of these inside. So I'm just going to give you guys a closer look on the solar bank itself. As you can see, looking something like this. This is the light panel right here. So this is a sensor, motion sensor. Right here we have a power button right here. As you can see, you can basically power this on. It's basically a sensor as well. So looking pretty neat. And the part right here, you can see the solar panel that basically used to charge this device. It is go up to 2000 brightness. As you can see, battery is 2600 million amp, as you can see on it right there. And basically to power this on, inside we have a pin that comes inside right here. As you can see, it's very fine, and we can push it right into this power button right here. So basically guys, for this to show, we have to ensure that the solar panel right here is basically covered. The time is very dark for this to automatically turns on when it sends motion. So I'm just gonna cover it right now so you guys see an idea of how it basically looks. As you can see guys, it light up whenever I try to cover the solar panel right here. As you can see, the light guys right there. As you can see, the light is very bright. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to install it so you guys see how it basically look when it basically finish. Very great, and it very light. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm just about to install this one right here on the wall. So looking something like this on the wall. So put our screw right here and one screw right here, and that's how it installed. And see guys, I finished install it right there. Right here guys, I'm going to show you guys a synopsis of how it basically look when it's dark in the night. And that's the light guys, looking pretty bright, as you guys can see right there. So I basically hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find this very helpful, and yeah, I'm basically loving it.